Okay guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is David Rahman. So in this Mikrotik's video tutorial, I will tell you how to a blog website with Mikrotik. I mean like if you want to block a website, there is a thing that you have to do. There is a step you have to do. First step is you have the Mikrotik is like the Mikrotik the Mikrotik you have to connect it to your Mikrotik like uh, like this. I created some wireless like this wireless virtual LAN. I create wireless virtual LAN and I connected with wireless. You can connect it with Ethernet. Okay. So if you want to block website, you can go to firewall. There is a filter rules. What is filter rules mean? So basically filter rules mean that wait filter rules mean that wait I forgot what filter rules. Filter rules I'm gonna uh filter rules now filter rules are usually to use a policy to make a policies whether or not the traffic is on the network. In the filter rules there are the three chains, namely input, output, and forward. The function of each chain. Okay, so if you see this, there is a chain. What is mean chain? Forward, input, or output. Input is mean it is used to process data packet traffic that enter or pass the router through the interface on the router. The type of incoming data packet traffic can come from a public network or a local network with a router destination. And there is the output, used to process traffic or data packet coming from the router. Traffic or originating from the router can go to public network or the local LAN or local area network of the router itself. And for the forward, is uses to process traffic or data packet that only pass through the router. Like this is a forward, and this is using to so the search of destination IP that's come from the router. It's coming from the what? It's coming from the internet browsing. So I'm gonna tell you how to block a website. To block a website, the filter rules work is using if then principle. What does it mean if then principle? One of the firewall feature in Mikrotik is filter rules. There is a rule function to create criteria of incoming and outgoing packet data and then execute them with different action. It means if the packet meet the criteria we made, what does mean criteria we made is that like if the packet is the search address is from someone laptop and the destination address to for example to Google, and for the action Google is get blocked, it means that for the action what you have to do with Google, you want to block a Google or not, like that. And then the action like this action, in the action will be accepted, add to destination addresses list, add to search addresses list, drop, fast track connection, jump, lock, pass through, reject, return, and target. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you what is this. Okay, this is a protocol. A protocol mean that function to define certain protocol like TCP, UDP, ICMP, SMTP, like that. For the chain is forward, output, and input. For the search address is search address of our laptop, or you can addressing by MAC address. You can use by MAC address, search MAC address, and destination address to destination of now where you're gonna belong, like destination address is mean to where's gonna the destination gonna be. For the interface, in interface it mean like incoming and outgoing interface, and there is many things I'm gonna explain it. Okay, for then mean that the action, the accept is you're gonna accept the packet at the destination to address list. When the packet is incoming, it's gonna adding added to addresses list. And for the search, add search, it meant that when the destination, like when you input, when you go to Google, the Google gonna be added to address list. For the search list, it means like when you entering Google, the IP, like your IP is gonna be added to addresses list. And for drop is like when you enter in Google and Google get blocked, it's gonna what you have to do, the gonna dropping the connection. Fast track connection, the connection gonna be a fast. And jump is when you uh open Google, like this, when you open Google, you're gonna be jamming, you're gonna be like what I forgot, gonna be jump to another traffic. Jump parameter target, lock enter traffic information the rule to low. Press stop function to ignore the rule. I like function to jump is on to jump to another chain specified by jump target parameter. Okay. There's a many. Lock is mean that when you access Google and Google get blocked, and when the lock is get like you're gonna someone entering Google and there is a lock in this lock, you're gonna get notification. Okay, let's we block some website. Okay. Okay, for the first, let's we edit some filterables like this. Okay, general for the chain forward because website is from another, it's from browser. Okay, and after that we're gonna use NS lookup. You have to know about the website. You have to know about the website of the. You have to know IP address of the website. every I- every website have an IP address, so uh it's easy to do it. So for the if the chain is forward and destination address to this, and we're gonna act for the action is we're gonna make it drop, and the log is someone entering project, just like that. Okay, we're gonna apply it, drop. Okay. Okay, so it's done. Okay, let's we see in the web. I forgot where I put it. Uh, let's we see to like this. Let's we see to let's we see about let's we what let's we see. Okay, let's we enter Google. Let's enter Gojek. Okay, Gojek.com. Is it correct? Okay, so it's buffering because the connection is getting dropped. Okay, and if we check the log, we check please the log. Okay, I forgot I'm checking the log. Oh wait, what my video is okay. We're gonna check the log. The log is mean like someone entering Gojek. It mean that this is our MAC addresses, and we can block this MAC address. If you want to flag this MAC address, you can do it. And this is for the IP, and this is someone entering Gojek from LAN 2 out LAN 1. Okay. Okay, maybe that's all for my tutorial. My name is Dapat Rahman. I'm from XTKG. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.